Hey guys, how you doing? Dave here. Today we're doing smothered chicken. That's the first thing that comes to my mind when I hear smothered. But anyway, the great thing is it's done in one pan, 30 minutes, a delicious combination of gravy, onions, garlic, quick recipe. So let's get going. So first off, what I've got is a cup of all-purpose flour. And I'm going to season this up with half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of garlic, and half a teaspoon of pepper. Half, so it's pretty easy. So I'm going to go ahead and add this into the flour. Grab up my whisk and just give it a mix. Next up, I'm going to grab up my chicken, and these are just thighs and breasts. But you know, you can use whatever cut you like. You just want to make sure they're thoroughly coated. Then just set them aside on a plate. So after you dredge the chicken, don't discard it. You're going to have a bit extra. Don't discard it because you're going to use it to make the roux. Alrighty then, I'm going to add some oil to a preheated pan. And this is kind of over medium-high heat. Add the chicken in, and we're going to fry this just to the point where it's golden brown. And this is going to take, I'd say maybe 4 minutes on each side. Okay, after cooking for a few minutes on each side, we're just going to set these aside in a plate. If they're a little bit uncooked, don't worry too much about it, because we're going to cook them more later. But they do smell good. Now in the same pan, I'm going to add a bit more oil. And you don't want to touch this because you've got all kinds of great flavors happening here. So I'm going to add in a small chopped onion and 3 cloves of garlic. And we're just going to fry these or saute them until they're fragrant and that wonderful flavor fills the air. Next up, 2 tablespoons of our flour that we had before. And we're just going to kind of stir this around until a roux forms. It's actually not kind of a roux, you just want the flour to be browned. Something like this. This is perfect. Add in 2 cups of chicken stock. You can use beef stock, vegetable stock, whatever you like. Give it a stir around. Bring it to a boil and kind of dissolve it. Add the chicken back in, and we're going to allow this to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes until it's fully cooked. And of course, I'm going to give these a flip every once in a while. After about 15 minutes, we're all done up here. So I'm just going to serve my chicken up over a bed of fried rice. You can use whatever you like, but I just love fried rice. Drizzle some of that absolutely delicious gravy over the top. Garnish it up with some freshly chopped parsley. And there you have it, guys, our 30-minute one-pan smothered chicken. Absolutely delicious. Okay, let's give this a taste test. Incredible. So delicious, it's smothered. I love the flavors. You got to try this for sure. So for the full scoop on this recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. Give us a thumbs up, and thanks for subscribing, and see you next time.